Blitzwolf BW-HL3. A budget smartwatch. It's any good in 2021? Let's find out. Welcome to the review of the Blitzwolf BW-HL3 smartwatch. Hello, my name is Thiago. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings. And if it's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up in this video and share this video all along with your friends. With this said, let's start the review. When you buy the BW-HL3, you can get the black one, the black and steel, the blue one, the silver steel, and the silver, the one that we are reviewing now. Nothing fancy on the box. You will find the watch, the charger, a regular one magnetic, and some manuals. When you take the watch from inside of the box is when you get surprised, because for the price, the design is amazing. I would say that feels premium. You can see it here, side by side with our Huawei GT2 Pro. Well, more on the design later. Let's check the price. You can get the Blitzwolf BW-HL3 for £35.99 at the time of this recording, and for our US viewers, it will be $43.99. So, as you can see, a very friendly budget watch. Like always, I will leave links down below on the video description so you can check it out. The BW-HLB comes in a 46.5mm size with a 62 grams weight. The body is made of metal and looks so good. The screen is a 1.3 inches TFT-LCD multicolor screen with 3 levels of adjustable brightness. It has a tempered glass, anti-scratch durable and resistant to water and dust. To keep it on your wrist, it comes with a stylish leather strap. This watch is waterproof, IP68, so you can have a shower with it and maybe swim. But be careful, it's only waterproof until 1 meter deep. Pairing the watch with your phone, it's easy and pain-free. I have used my iPhone 12 Pro Max and I haven't got any problems. Like every other smartwatch, you can have the notifications on your watch, and this one is no different. You can switch which ones are the ones who gonna buzz on your wrist. The Blitzwolf BW-HL3 have a classic look with this amazing round screen with 1.3 inches TFT-LCD screen. It's nice and you'll be able to read all the notifications with nice colors. You'll be able to reject calls with your watch, but because it doesn't have a built-in microphone or speakers, you're not going to be able to use your watch to speak. So no James Bond with this watch. The Blitzwolf watch is full of tracking features. You can track your heart rate, check your blood pressure, and monitor the levels of oxygen on your blood. I really don't know how accurate these features are, but to me, they seem accurate. On the exercise field, the BW-HL3 can track 8 sport modes, like running, cycling, and if you like badminton, well, you can take the BW-HL3 watch with you, because it's one of the 8 modes as well. All of this with GPS tracking, if you have the phone with you, because the BW-HL3 doesn't have GPS built in, it uses the app and the phone GPS. Talking about the app, you can find it on the App Store. Glory Fit is called. So, if you are a bit of a control freak, it's good news. You can control your sleep there, for example, and see all the data for the other tracking features. On the app, you will be able to change all your settings, like for example, if you want your watch to take a picture when you shake your watch. A very useful feature. Well, on the app, you'll be able to update the watch firmware as well. The biggest strength of the Blitzwolf BW-HL3 watch is the battery. A single charge will take you to 20 days in standby and 7 to 10 days with regular use. On my testing, I used the watch for 10 days with normal use without having to charge it. There's no point in comparing this watch with the Huawei or Apple because they are not comparable, although the BW-HL3 will win on the battery field against the Apple. It will lose in all the other fields, but let's not forget that this watch price is £35.99. This was the review of the BW-HL3. In the end, a classic look. The metal body, together with the battery life and an amazing price, makes this watch a very good choice in 2021. Let me know in the comments what you think, and which watch do you use? And that's all for today, guys. So if you guys like the video, do all the jazz, subscribing, liking and everything, and I will see you in my next review. Stay safe.